In 44, we're talking about circles, but they don't provide us a diagram, and they're talking about two different size circles. So the test taking tip is going to be to draw those two circles. They don't have to be drawn to scale. It states that the diameter of the first circle is 12 inches, which means I know the radius is 6. Radius is always half the diameter. Now it says the second circle has a diameter that is 25% longer. So we're going to take 100% of the diameter of the first circle, and we're going to add an additional 25%. 100% would be this original, plus an additional 25% to create a longer diameter. So when I write 125% as a decimal, it's 1.25. I'm taking 12 times 1.25, and now we can see the diameter is going to be 15. The diameter is going to be 15 inches long. So what's half of 15? Half of 15, you can use a calculator if necessary, is 7.5. The next thing is, it is assumed that you know the area of a circle is pi r squared. So I'm simply going to take 12, I'm going to square it, and I know 12 squared is 144. You could plug it into the calculator if needed. So 144 pi inches squared represents this area. We're going to come back over here, and I'm going to take 7. Oh, I made a quick mistake there. And this is probably a common mistake that students will make as well. Remember, we don't plug in the diameter, we plug in the radius. So 6 squared is 36, and this will be 36 pi units squared. Over here, I'm going to take 7.5, and I'm going to square it. Now, I don't know what 7.5 is squared, so I'll plug it in. 7.5 squared is 56.25 units squared. And we want to know how much larger is the second circle compared to the first circle. So if I type in 56.25 pi, and I take that and subtract 36 pi, I get an answer of 63.6, which is closest to 64. Option J.